In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva efficiently and effectively. Whether you're working on a creative presentation, a social media post, or any creative project, knowing how to group elements can significantly streamline your design process. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to canva.com and log into your account. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the web page. If you haven't signed up yet, you can do that here as well. Canva offers multiple ways to log in, so feel free to choose the option that suits you best. You can use Google, Facebook, or simply sign in with your email. Once you're logged in, the next step is to choose the project you want to work with. Navigate through your dashboard or use the search bar to find the specific project. Having it open and ready will make our next step smoother and more intuitive. Now here's where the real fun begins. As you open your project, you'll notice various elements laid out on your workspace. To group elements, you'll need to select them first. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then, while holding the Shift key, click each individual element that you want to include in your group. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for easy manipulation of your design elements thereafter. Once you've selected all the elements you want to group, keep an eye out for a floating menu that will pop up near your cursor. In this menu, you'll find an option that says Group. Go ahead and click it. By doing so, Canva will bundle these elements together as a single unit. This makes it incredibly easy to move, resize, or even rotate them without affecting the arrangement you've meticulously crafted. After you've grouped the items, you might want to adjust them independently. No worries, ungrouping is just as straightforward. Click on the grouped item to bring back that handy floating menu. And there it is, the ungroup option is waiting for you. Click it and just like that, each element is once again independent and ready for individual tweaking or repositioning. This ability to group and ungroup elements is a powerful feature in Canva that enhances your design efficiency and flexibility. You can organize complex designs without fear of distorting your layout, and you can easily experiment with different configurations to see what best achieves your design goals. And that's it. By learning how to group and ungroup elements in Canva, you've added a valuable tool to your design toolkit. Happy designing, and until next time, keep creating.